While in Amsterdam, I set myself a quick challenge of trying to see much of the city within 2 hours while on foot, before I need to hop on a train to Rotterdam for a rave later today. Fucking 3 in the morning, why am I even here? So there's no time to waste, so I'm gonna have to use some of my Python magic to try and find the fastest route between the city's top sites to make sure I don't miss a beat, or in my case a train. Yeah, we were still very late. We're on the train to Amsterdam. I have made my little maps of all the places and routes that we need to visit. So basically going to try and follow this little wee map, try and get us to where to go. Probably around 15 places to try and visit today. Right. Are you recording me? No. Okay. You know what, I should actually get our little map out. Here's our little map that we've got. I used 3 powerful Python libraries to create the interactive map, highlighting the must-see spots that I discovered through timeout.com. You can ignore the GitHub version if you're not very fond of code and you just want to have a zoomable interactive map. It's the first line of the description. So you guys can follow along and see how inefficient I was at actually trying to do this. Get to my first bit, probably just transition.
We have a V-map we can use.
So is the first place to go?
I think it's this way. Okay, great. We found the wee canal tour, but weird problem is we haven't even started looking for anything, and we actually found that it was outside the Amsterdam Central, so we're gonna have to kind of improvise what we're kind of doing here. So if we start from the canal tour and we just kind of slowly go down here and make our way back, maybe we can salvage something. But maybe that's a good starting point, so I think let's just do that.
I mean, hot dog seems like a great starting point to me.
No, it doesn't. We can't. The first point, we've stumbled across 3 of the points that we have to visit today, so I'm not sure if we crossed that off.
Speed one.
On our way to the furthest point, we found the Madame Tussauds, the National Monument, and the fucking Royal Palace. How lucky are we? Not sure if we can speed run, but...
I mean, you know, the whole point is to visit them, so if we visited them, then we're done, aren't we?
Yeah, true. Look at this, the rubber duck store.
So many options.
Yeah. Maybe you can say we got a little bit distracted with some of the tourist sites. Kind of overestimated how far some of the places are going to be. Stop 1 alone is 30 minutes. So, yeah, let's get moving, I suppose. Is that foreshadowing because we can't make it to the final point, so we're going to have to improvise? Yes, it is. Let's get a little bit technical for a moment. Ever wondered how apps like Google Maps or my Python script find the shortest path between 2 points? No. It's all thanks to an algorithm called Dijkstra's. It's a J and a K. Dijkstra's algorithm. And no, it's not a type of Dutch cheese before you guys ask in the comments.
Hey, where the fuck are we?
Actually, I'm trying to figure it out. I thought the canals would be quite useful, but I didn't realise how many different kind of canals.
There is a lot of canals.
There's a fair few bits of water, but I think I'm close. Right now we're literally in the middle of nowhere, like in a canal, one of like 50 billion that they have here. So I think probably like a 5-minute detour, and then we'll be at place 1.
I mean, you said we already visited a few, right?
We technically visited a few en route.
Yeah. So that's 3 objectives out of 15 already complete.
Exactly. I don't think we can go into magictruffles.com. Yeah, I think we're kind of lost. Let's keep going. Yeah. What I'm doing is using the nodes and edges, basically turning the entire city into a bunch of nodes and paths. By finding the shortest edge between these nodes, I can map out the quickest route to hit all the best spots without wasting any time. Or in my case, getting lost, which honestly happens like 20 minutes of this expedition. The Dijkstra's solution is an approximate algorithm, which resulted in some questionable choices to say the least. I think we're going to try and find a traditional Dutch place for food. So
there's McDonald's.
That's not traditional Dutch. You can't be eating a McDonald's. I am not eating from McDonald's. It's $10 problem. Huh?
This museum. That's the Van Gogh guy, you know?
It's the Van Gogh guy? Yeah. What the hell is this? It's bloody car parking thing, Rob. Oh. It's not. We're not here all. We still gotta keep going. We are very lost. We don't know where we're going. Also, I didn't realise that the first place was probably around 40 minutes to where we should be, so we are a little bit screwed. So we're gonna try and skip the first.
Fuck we are.
I really don't. We've got chips.
Yeah, I've got chips.
With peanut sauce on it though, so it's quite nice. think we're going to scrap the first route. We're going to start from the second point onwards, and we'll try and visit as much stuff within 2 hours, let's say.
2 hours, yeah.
2 hours. Right. We made it to the first canal. All we have to do is get to that bridge, which is travel under the bridge. The Western Market Centrum. It's one of the points. We landed. Not necessarily in the correct, not really in the correct order, but we are passing them through. Accidentally, while going on this fucking weird convoluted route.
Maybe the real map was the fence we made along the way.
Maybe. Luckily we're now on the main road, so we shouldn't get lost as the algorithm can't get to weird places. Shouldn't is the key word here. Yeah. On the first, this is technically the first point into Anne Frank's house. Right, so we've made it here to Anne Frank's house. So this is technically from point 1. So now we're going to have to just slowly move our way backwards through the entirety of Amsterdam and go through probably like 5 different canals, which is easy enough.
A lot of canals.
A lot of canals, a lot of walking. I'm going to say it's going to take probably at least, the 2 hours. So that's going to be fun. Okay, so just finished that. Next stop, Tulip Museum, across the street. Pretty simple.
All about the craze of the speculative asset that, very valuable.
Telling us to go all the way around instead of cutting through this bit. I don't know why that's the case.
Well, probably because that way is faster, but like while we are doing the tourist speed run,
we are doing the tourist speed run.
Just do no tourist stuff on the tourist speed run, because then
I think we are going to just have to go that way, which is
the long way or the short way.
Long way.
Oh, yeah, we haven't.
Well, fuck it.
We will do
we have to do the slow run, even though it's meant to be the quicker run. We're on the road.
2 hours. Yeah, I'd say we have about 2 hours at most before we can go on the train. Most of it. It's only 2 hours.
We've visited most places, thankfully. We're in the Tulip Museum, but it's €5 to get into the Tulip Museum. So I think our Tulip Museum stuff is literally just get a bunch of expensive knickknacks.
Everyone knows, you go to the museum, you learn about how tulips were overvalued and kind of worthless, and then when you come out, you can buy tulip merchandise. Definitely valuable.
I just wanted to take a second so you can enjoy the view and mention how many bikes there are in Amsterdam. They're literally everywhere. It's very different from the UK. If you're interested to see what the UK bike infrastructure would look like if it's scaled up to the same size as the Netherlands, I made another video, so you can check that out at some point.
So now it's just like on random outskirts parts.
Because we're trying to follow this stupid map.
Well,
it's around here.
Oh, okay. Where are we going again?
It's a palace, apparently.
I can't see a palace.
This is the kind of thing I wasn't expecting.
What are these little alleyways?
Yeah. Didn't think we'd have to go cut through here, mate. Did not think we'd have to cut through somewhere like this. But we are. It's the main road. Okay. Oh, there it is.
That was easy.
See, that was quicker. Boom. Look at that. We got point A, and we've also got point B. Oops, that's too zoomed in. Point B. There you go. And you got the next one. Right here. Look at this. 2 for 1. Ah, yes, the New Witch Woodberg Wall Centrum. One of the points down. Lovely little historic place around here, though. Wonderful. Look at this grand building. Shopping centre. You get stuff like this back at home, do you? Don't get
the shopping centre like this.
No, you don't. I think we're trying to get to somewhere around here, and we are a little bit lost.
We'll find something. I mean, we've got little alleyways. We've got episodes, TV.
Pram. Old nature. Palace there. We've got an old building there. We're just crossing stuff off the list. Not far off now to the Van Gogh Museum, which surprisingly is the furthest spot. we have to go. Probably like another 10 minutes out. Again, we are caught in the middle of another canal. Another canal, so we just kind of got to sort out where we're going because we are a little bit lost in the canals because they all look the same. We're here.
One museum.
One of the museums.
There's many.
Only took us probably 40 minutes from an estimated 20. And checking on Google Maps, we are considerably slower. But we're here, so
We made it.
we
We haven't made it. We still need to go for that museum.
We still have to go through the yeah. I didn't say that in the thing though. But. It's so aesthetically pleasing, and here's me with my little Python map trying to run around. It felt really strange, to be honest. It's my uncultured ass being like, oh yeah, it's the song from Hitman 3. We have the award-winning garden as well, but I'll let past him and explain why it's so nice. That is very green. Is that all he says? Oh, all right. We found a tulipy style museum kind of thing. That is free. So not the exact one we wanted to visit, not the actual tulip museum, but it's something. And get a load of some of this architecture. It's great. Stumbled across it. Okay, let's be honest, by accident. But we're having fun. We're just cutting through. And the system's kind of working. Not as good as we thought, but like, you know, we're trying. Well. Left or right? Left. Forget about the actual museum, the museum shop right there. More importantly, shop gifts.
Oh, okay.
And stuff to buy. Consumerist items, that's what we need. Right, come on, let's go. This is where the real questions lie. What kind of house do you get? Do you get the one with the teeny little windows, or do you get the one with the staircase? I think the staircase, Robert, do you think? Okay, staircase. Staircase, little mini meow will do.
I didn't know rabbits meowed.
Did I just say meow?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll cut that out. There's the Gogh Museum and the Van Gogh Museum right behind us. So we are pretty much done. Now all we have to do is get back, and we are about 30 minutes behind schedule. I'm gonna have to get a tram. But yeah, there's the two. More of an artsy museum, and a guy called Vincent van Gogh and his museum, whatever stuff that he does. I don't know, I just went to the gift shop instead. Trying to speedrun Amsterdam was literally impossible. We missed out like so many different cool things we could have done. While trying to walk on foot, it was really fun, but yeah, it's massive. You can't see all of this. I definitely need to go back soon. This isn't considered cheating, is it?
No.
I hope not. Speedrunning though. Now when I was getting back, I didn't pass not one, not two, but 5 of the different spots that I needed to visit, which really bummed me out. Here's a keynote. If you want to travel to the Netherlands, maybe pick around 5 of the spots that I showed in this video, but just take the tram instead. Because who would have guessed that the 26th most visited city within the world would have a streamlined ecosystem to try and visit all these cool points? Because I didn't. Hope you guys liked that video. If you did, you can give the video a like, comment, and subscribe. You can check out my Twitter page, my Instagram, where you can see me do reviews of like Dutch Gregs. So if you like that kind of shit, you can check that out as well.